What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? Welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and if you noticed something just a little bit different, it's because we're working very hard to show you guys something different. And the last time we made a video like this, today we're talking about why you should hire a tour guide in Madeira and how to plan your vacations and so on. And you would have thought that actually I would have done more videos like this because I do in fact own a tour company, so I am in fact just a little bit biased. But I want to bring out the pros in having a tour guide next to you when you're in Madeira, whether you're visiting or whether you're living here as well. And that's it. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. This is the perfect analogy of what my life looks like right now. I got a half-eaten chicken wing in one hand, my phone over there already with notifications, beautiful woman in front of me, thankfully, and my notebook over there, and I'm still kind of figuring out exactly what we're doing today. But the chicken wings are amazing with some sweet and sour sauce. I think this is one of the places that really I want to give away to you guys, but I also want to keep to myself. But getting into the topic of why you want to have yourself a guide is that to this day, I haven't found any details of this particular place, right? That is a local kind of secret spot, hidden gem kind of thing that you would say. And thankfully the influencers haven't found it yet. So I want to show you where we are, but I don't want to show you where we are. We got chicken wings and pig's feet, because believe it or not, in Madeira we eat pig's feet. Now look, now I got one in each. This is actually a more appropriate kind of metaphor for what's going on right now. There's just so much going on. I got my hands everywhere. If you want to, you know, discover these real secrets, then yeah, the only way to do that is with local people and not with, you know, online influencers. Babes, your favorite breakfast drink? Well, it's not quite breakfast. I mean, it's almost 3 o'clock, right? So it's fine. And we are going to be drinking throughout the day. I don't want to call this a booze cruise, you know, but we're doing a little bit of a food tour here. But anyway, what I did want to get through in this video is that there's some places and some traditions that you won't find online through your ordinary influencers, right? Nowadays, I find so many videos of Instagram, people who get here and they've been here for like 3 days, 4 days, you know, and they've made a video about the must-see places in Madeira, and they're all the must-see places that everybody already knows. So there's thousands of people that you can listen to, and I'm not going to be like, listen to me, no, but choose very carefully who you listen to, because a lot of these people don't know that much, you know, including me, of course. But anyway, this is pata. We got some pata over here, which is a good question. What is pata? Is it octopus? Is it fake octopus? Is it like vegan octopus? Hey, what is pata? If you know what pata is, then please let us know. But we like to do it like this, onionated, right? Blada means onionated, onion and pepper. Actually, I believe it's pickled, but this is something we do a lot here in Madeira. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy some fake octopus and some onion and some poncha, right? And I hope this video is going somewhere. That's it. Anyway, let's do a nice ching ching for everyone out there watching. Cheers to you guys. So I wanted to keep this all a secret, you know, because I didn't want to be another influencer, and I'm not hating on all the newbies out there, because I have realized, oh wow, Nikita, look at the spread, all right? Look at this spread. So first of all, I did want to keep this all a secret, but because the gentleman here is being so nice from this place, Castrinhos, which, you know, there it is, cats out the bag. This is one of the places on the new tour from Hit the Road, which is coming later, so stay tuned so you can find out more about how to come with us and enjoy this gastronomical experience. gastronomical experience. Of course, we have the emblematic beef tongue sandwich, right, which you're not gonna find in any Instagram posts from any people except maybe now. And don't hate me for telling out secrets, you know what it is, it's gonna happen. Someone's gonna be like, let's tell the world about this. They're gonna go and put it online. But usually what happens is like, what are we gonna tell the world about Madeira? They go to Google, maybe they even go to ChatGPT and say, what can we talk about in Madeira? And then it's like, what are the best viewpoints in Madeira? And then it comes out, Cascata dos Anjos, the ugliest waterfall in the world, the golden shower. And this is my favorite sandwich in Madeira. So actually I'll go through stages, but this one is pretty much my favorite. Tongue sandwich, so good. I also want to tell you about my favorite poncha. Oh my God, this is so much. Anyway, we're not gonna, I mean, you know, we said we were here, we're building a new tour and we're doing, you know, some work, because that's what we are doing today. We are actually working, and he gave us all of this stuff. But my favorite poncha is a tangerine poncha. So sorry for all the purists out there that are gonna be like, tangerine poncha is not real poncha, it's a cocktail. Yes, I know, I love it though. And this one here in particular, with the sandwich, oh, you can smell it. Can you smell it? Eh? Can you smell that? Smell that in there?
I can.
You can.
Maybe not
I
the
can't smell
audience.
it. You're gonna have to pay to smell. Anyway, yeah. Cheers to you guys. Sitting on the wall and drinking is very much a Madeiran thing, right? And huge disclaimer before we get anywhere: we're drinking with glasses, and I believe that the policy in most places is if you're drinking outside, then using plastic cups. But we're doing this for the photos, you know how it is, you gotta have those already sick photos. So good things are coming. What I can say is that this Nikita is one of the best things that I've had in a long time. I'm not a very big Nikita drinker, but this Nikita, I have to admit, is one of the best Nikitas I've had, if not the best Nikita I've had in Madeira. Usually I would go for the adult chocolate milkshake, which you have to find out what both of these are, you know, by coming out with us or reading the comments, because someone's gonna, you know, alguém vai chibar aí nos comentários, vão dizer, eles vão aqui, I'm just kidding. But maybe you can find the recipe in the comments or something. It is a complicated recipe, but it is delicious. So very excited. I am going to finish my poncha and my sandwich. This is some pork tapas, what we're gonna call pork, wine and garlic. And the fish is this spada. It looks like spada. Looks like spada, and Andrea said it's delicious. So I wasn't gonna try any, but might as well. And it is in fact delicious. And you can have it in a sandwich as well. This place, even though it's a well-known local place, remember I didn't grow up here, but I didn't find out about Castrinhos for like maybe 4 years or 5 years living here. You know, maybe less, I don't know. But it's been a while. And I'm still learning things. I'm still learning a hell of a lot of things. There's still a hell of a lot of things I don't know, like, particularly about food. But I think I know enough to talk about it. Yeah, we're gonna carry on soon. It's gonna be a long day. We've got a lot to do today. So yeah, that's it. Let's shut up. Shh. Cut. So in my honest opinion, I don't think there's ever been such a good time to be a tour guide. I think that the world is becoming a little bit more of a confusing place, especially when it comes to the internet. That, you know, nowadays everything's online and there's blogs and vlogs about everything. And I think that to find a professional is becoming a little bit tougher. Not only because Madeira is in fashion and a lot of people are booking tours, so there's a lot of people out on the road, but also because there's so much information online now. So now, you know, you can go somewhere for 2 or 3 weeks and you can create, you know, a tour guide, you know, like a book about this place, you know. And who are you to say that you know this place after 2 or 3 weeks? But that's not what I want to actually get into. You can research all of that stuff on your own. But here in Madeira, you've got microclimates, right? You've got weather that's all over the place. And when you hire a guide, at least a decent one, you know you're going to be with someone who actually understands these patterns, that understands that where it's usually cloudy, where it's usually sunny, where, you know, when you get up to the sunrise and the clouds are in, where do you go? Are you going to do that on the spot when you're at Pico do Orieiro and the weather's bad? Are you going to be looking for the plan B on your phone, trying to find directions? Where is the sun? Where is north? Like, you want to be with somebody that knows exactly where the sun's coming at exactly what time and why. There's a saying that I really, really like, which goes down to basically the economics of it, is that you're going to pay anyway, right? So if you decide not to take a tour guide, you're going to pay because then you have to pay in time and effort to find the right places, to make a plan, to rent a car, to drive around, to park, to not scratch. And by the way, parking is becoming a real issue in Madeira. You know, I would recommend step out of your comfort zone, go on a tour, don't stress about what to do and how to do it. And the best way to do that is by booking a tour with hittheroadmadeira.com if you can still find one. Remember to put Hugo for President as the promo code at checkout and you'll get 10% off all of your tours. All of our availability is live on the website, which means if it's not available on the website, it means it's probably been sold out already. So yeah, you know, we're a small company, we can't do too much. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up now and carry on to the next mission. So let's go.
And then all of them.
Yeah, the whole family's there.
Yes.
Well, it's actually, this is probably just a very close family, right?
So the plan
Because it's
was
like, and you guys are in South Africa,
yeah,
where?
we in Joburg.
Where in
Joburg
Joburg?
South.
Joburg South.
Yeah, the wild one. The wild
That's where all the Portuguese central, right? We just bumped into a couple of followers of our channel here in this little place in San Vicente, having some wine, taking some photos for our new stuff that's coming out. So I don't want to, you know, spoil it too soon, but you know, I'm sure you can figure it out, right? I'm sure you can figure out what's coming. But anyway, this is a 5-year Madeira wine that we're sipping down and taking it easy. It's 7:30 and we still have to catch a sunset and then dinner and then after dinner drinks. So today is one of those hustles that goes from 12 o'clock in the morning till 12 o'clock at night. And when I say 12 o'clock, I mean 12 o'clock when we started, but we both have jobs before that. Remember, we're not 100% YouTubers. How I wish I was just a YouTuber. This channel would probably be a whole lot better. But the good news is that there is good stuff coming. So you have to like and subscribe and leave a comment on how gorgeous Veronica looks with her new hair, right? She did that just for the photo shoots, wasn't it, babe? This was for the photo. Yeah, she's like, yeah. We're gonna finish this off and then we're gonna carry on our mission. Like and subscribe to the channel, share with all of your Madeira friends, and we don't go away, right? Because we will be doing more things. Cheers, babe. Hey, do you want me to take the photo?
All right, thank you.
Yeah, let me take the photo for you guys. Get in there. Fantastic. Wait, hold on. The auntie's head is a little bit low. There we go. Fantastic.
Sorry, buddy.
No worries.
Take it home.
Hey?
Potatoes, look, that's for you.
Okay. What? The potatoes?
Take the picture. Take that home for you. That's mine. Take it.
Enjoy. All the best. Always awesome meeting people. Who's got the keys?
I don't.
Andrea, let's go. It's getting late. not about the places that you go to visit, it's how you get there. It's so easy to look at Madeira as one big map with just points of interest scattered alongside of it. But it's all about the adventure. It's about how you get to these points. And on that bombshell, we come out here to La Porrera. Yeah, did you see that? Hey, did you see that?
I didn't catch that.
I had a whole like motivation. Oh! Babe, we need to get you a plate. Can you get a plate and something for Andrea while I say goodbye to these guys? Actually, yeah, I have my plate. Okay. She's a princess, and that's what we're doing today. Here we go. Here's a little piece of pineapple, babes. I'm gonna steal a little bite.
Is it good?
Oh. It's perfect after a full meal. Wow, we're so full. We've been eating the whole day. But I wish I could actually tell you guys exactly what we're planning. You know, a part of us in the industry have this kind of fear of not giving away too much. You see, it's true. We have this fear of not giving away too much so that people don't steal our secrets, you know. But there's certain secrets and certain ways that we do our jobs and what we know already and what we've inherited from our family and our traditions that can't be taken away by anybody. So even though somebody could say, oh, but Jeff, you're not from Madeira, it's like, yeah, well, I grew up in a Madeiran family. No one can ever take that away from me. No one can ever take those traditions away from me, that knowledge, and even the knowledge that I've built over the last 14 years. So when you're looking for these people, make sure that you're looking for the right person and not somebody that's been in Madeira for 2 or 3 weeks and kind of knows what he's doing about. That's all I want to say. But we are launching brand new tours and they are launching next week, all right? Only on our Patreon account. First, our Patreon members get first access to our brand new tours. They're gonna get a good deal as well. So for only €4.50, you can join up to our Patreon account, get all the extra benefits of being on our Patreon community or in our Patreon community. If you don't know what Patreon is, basically it's a social media platform where fans can support creators financially, and the way we've done it is that we've offered services including a giveaway for a vacation in Madeira in 2024. So for only €4.50 you can join up. Remember, we're not a casino, right? There's no funny business here, and I think that's it. I just thought now maybe we should make you guess the name of our new tours, eh? So let's give out some giveaways. Let's say, you know, 5 or 10 trips to anyone who can create a very interesting comment or a name for what they think is coming up. We'll give you some tips. It's everything you've seen in this video, so you can guess what type of theme we're going for. And we need a creative name. Actually, we've already got one. I believe I got the best name in the world for what we're launching, but I'm gonna give you the opportunity to check it out as well. So on that bombshell, we'll see you guys in next week's video. Babe, that was fun, yeah? It was fun, Andrea?
Let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road. Let's eat some pineapple. Yes. Now you're gonna.
Is it good? Of course.
A little higher.